Congratulations! I bet you had a long and tiring trail. Come on, go ahead. Oh, no worries. You're safe. You finally made it to the end of the Oregon Trail. Wait a second, what? Oh, bro, that's it. Oh, you look cold. Let's go inside and warm you up. Oh, there you go. Sorry, the place is such a mess. All right. So, you are looking very worn down. We are really interested to hear about your experiences, the trials and losses on the trail. How many people did you start out with?
Well, we started from our farm, my husband and my 2 lovely little boys.
That is just so boring, you know? How about spicing it up a little bit? Tell us about how your family died.
What?
Please, so they're not forgotten. Just give us a couple of details. Who was the first to go?
Well, it was my youngest. We had just left Independence. And out of nowhere, this snake came and jumped into the wagon and it bit my poor Jimmy.
Ha! You almost made it a mile and then somebody bites it. How about the other boy? I've got a little bet going. I'm in 5-1. He dies of drowning. Am I right? Oh, I knew it! Details.
I wanted to take the ferry across the Kansas River. James said that it was shallow. But when the wagon went into the water, it just sank almost immediately and my little Jackie boy.
Amazing! Did you lose all your supplies?
Supplies? I didn't care about supplies. I just lost all my children.
Oh, kids. Who cares about the kids? People pop them out all the time. You had to eat. You needed food. Did you have bullets for hunting?
We did lose all our food, but we had some bullets. James went and shot a couple buffalo. But before he could finish, this tiny white bunny came and attacked him.
Seriously? A bunny?
It bit off his head and took it away.
I know the trail can be brutal at times, but that is the first time I've ever heard of a bunny killing somebody. Oh, new arrivals. You know what time it is? It's time for your complimentary tombstone. There you go. Yeah, just make sure to engrave your name in it because you don't have much longer to live. You don't know? You have typhoid fever. Congratulations on beating the trail!
I need a doctor.
You sure do. Come on in. It sucks that we don't have any doctors here because I heard from a little birdie that this one's got dysentery. You basically have about 5 minutes until... Ooh, yeah. Just... Ooh. All right. I've got some good news for you. Since she arrived here in technically good health, that puts your score in 10th place. You know what that means? You're part of our exclusive top 10, the scoreboard. Since you can't make it over there in your current state, I'm gonna make up a great name for you. How about Poopy McButtface?
Poopy McButtface?
Yeah. So anyway, here is your complimentary tombstone. Oh, that is why I love this place. Who would have thought you even had another bone to break in your body? Oh, how exciting. More winners to celebrate. Congratulations.
My goodness, this decor.
Oh, this is not what I was expecting.
Tacky.
Extreme.
Bankers.
No, sir. My father is the banker. We made it here all by ourselves. He only loaned us a measly $1,500.
So you had it easy.
No, it was terrifying. We had 10 stinky oxen, and I was only allowed to bring along 50 pairs of shoes.
I cannot abide.
Like I said, easy mode. How did the two of you not get sick?
Well, this trader sold us some of this delicious medicine.
Oh, wait! Oh, it just smacks the devil right out of you.
Did you get that from Bartley?
Yeah, I think that was his name. Why?
Bartley! You still got it, you old sailor. Whoa. Who do you think you are?
Superman, here for my score. No way.
Whoa. How did you get that score?
Well then. Oh, you cheat code. Superman. Gave myself invincibility. Yeah, I hacked the code, hacked my score. Yeah, it's getting pretty boring riding around the trail in that wagon. So, made myself Superman. Then I gave myself laser eyes. So I can fly around and blow up all the other wagons.
That's great. I love killing sprees. I'd love to hear more about yours later. But you tarnished my precious scoreboard. You know what that means?
No.
2-year-old Timmy digging a shallow grave for his dead mother. He's gonna lose his high score because of you.
Just score, man.
It's a tarnished score. I have to do it. I have to crash the game.
Relax, dude. If you do that, no one will play this 30-year-old game ever again.
Do you think that if I crash the game, it's gonna deter these sadists? Everyone loses on the trail.
If you do this, you'll lose everything.
Everyone loses on the trail. I'm sorry. Sorry about the interruption, folks, and welcome back. We are currently updating our graphics and code so that there are no more cheaters or hackers. We are here to stay. So, have a great time out there, and don't forget to share your highlights next time on the Oregon Trail. Copyright. Hopefully they can bleep that out.